What's going on, guys? So as you guys saw from this video, I'm going to show you guys how being a car dealer, I'm 24 years old. I have two car dealerships in two totally different states, very extremely different states. One in Arizona and one in the dirty south of Arkansas. I'm going to show you guys how I analyze if I'm getting a good deal to then resell to a customer. Using our trusty online auto auction. There's actually a car going through right now, so I figured I'd make a video and show you kind of how I determine the most I'm willing to bid to justify me buying this car over the other 30, 40 dealers looking at it on this online website right now as well. So I think there's like 9 minutes left. Let me show you my screen. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to zoom myself down here, okay? And we're going to minimize this so it doesn't look crazy. All right, so this is a 2009, this ACV auction, so you can see that on my other videos if you guys want to watch more about it. Caleb's calling me, my business partner, but I'm going to film this really quick for you guys. '09 Nissan Sentra. I've checked this out already. One of the main things I look at after I find out, okay, no check engine lights, no issues, 94,000 miles, is I go, okay, to our Mesa, Arizona location. How much would it cost in shipping? $425. Okay, not too bad. So it's at $13.50 right now. It's going to go up, especially when it starts to get like 2 minutes left, 1 minute left, 40 seconds left. It starts jumping up really rapidly. But what I do is I copy this, and I've already got it pulled up. So I'm just going to show you guys. Boom. Oh my gosh. Boom. I copy and paste Nissan Sentra S, then I go for sale. So this is how I could figure out the most I'm willing to pay to still have the best deal in my area. So I go to Car Gurus every single time because what this is 99% of Car Gurus is just dealers posting their cars for sale, and our competition obviously is dealers. So I'll bump this up to 150-mile radius, so I can get a larger pool of Nissan Sentras. Again, 2009 Sentra S, 94,000 miles. So we need to find comparables. So from 90 to 110,000 miles, really, no, 90 to 105. So we have one with 104. It's showing that it's not a great deal at $5,484. But it is a sponsored one, so that's why it's at the top. Otherwise, it would be, on page 3 or 4. 91,000 miles, $4,500. Actually in Arizona, well, obviously, I guess I put 200 miles. So what I'm doing basically is trying to figure out the most I'm willing to pay. Clearly, I wouldn't pay this because you're not trying to buy things to break even. So, you can scroll through, look, 91,000. So this is dead even. If you keep going, we have one with 83,000 miles. It's a high price in Prescott. Seems like no one's got a steal or showing a great deal for the Car Gurus, calculator tool. 69.95. I would not list it that high. 54. And then we have the 45. This one looks like it's in worse shape, honestly. Like the paint's like dull, or maybe it's just bad photos. Looks like an individual as well in Scottsdale. One of the few. Definitely is an individual, actually. No issues. So this is what I do. I go on here. So now I know, okay, to be the best deal, anything under 4,500 in a 100-mile radius, I will be the best deal. Okay. One thing I do have to factor in, though, if I want to kind of be, because I feel like I want to post it at $49.95 and then take 45. The one thing I do have to factor is mine more appealing than this one? So if I win this, for example, I think that this is a much cleaner, much prettier, more appealing, and will attract a larger pool audience. So then I could list it for 500 more. I'll be the second best deal technically, but this is an individual with us in Arizona. We give you 2 years of entirely free maintenance. Buying through a dealer in Arizona, the advantage is they do get a 15-day warranty, standard. So I think I could safely put it at $49.95, be the best deal in the entire area for Nissan Sentras, be basically number one for dealers for sure. And what I do now is, since it's $49.95, I basically say, okay, if I want to make $1,200 profit, well, let's just say $1,000. I can't pay 35 and then post at 49 and take 45, even though that seems like 1,000. I have to now factor in quickly shipping. So I don't want to pay 35 because then if I pay 35 and I have a buy fee at 150 plus 425, I'm at what, 575. So then it'd be, I'd have to pay 29. What is that? 29.25. But anyways, that's how I factor all that. So first, I see what it's going for at the moment. I copy and paste this. This works for Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, whatever it is. I copy this. I go here. I look at comparables, and then I always, just me, you can list it high. Some dealers list them crazy high, and then they just have so many cars they don't care. I think it puts a bad taste in people's mouth where they go like, oh, that's a dealership that has terrible prices all the time. And it still works for them, and I get it because they have 300 used cars. They'll still get that, one person a day that they need. But I just always want to have the best deal. So to funnel, if anyone's looking for, a Sentra, to mine first. So I know $4,995 or $4,900 safely. I need to get this for about $2,600 because the buy fee and the distance it is from our Mesa lot to justify it. Tire pressure lights on. Other than that, it is flawless. I mean, it's a beautiful car. But yeah, that is really just how I analyze vehicles to determine, hey, how much can I pay at most to still justify it to sell it to an individual and still make sense for the individual to buy from us as opposed to other dealers. So again, the reason for that would be still being the #1 deal on CarGurus or any of the platforms. They're going to come to you because you have still the best deal. It doesn't matter how much I paid for it. If it's still the best deal to the public, they're going to come to you. We're going to give you that maintenance plan and all that stuff. But yeah, that is really just it. I wanted to share that with you guys. I got to get off here. Been on this, 4 minutes left. But thank you guys for watching. Super short video. Just wanted to explain that. That's how I analyze any car. Could be on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, anywhere. But right now we're using this dealer-only auction site, and it is awesome. But if you look at my YouTube history, I bought on Craigslist. I have videos of me scanning for hours on Craigslist, actually filming me going to buy cars from individuals from Craigslist or OfferUp and Marketplace. So that's really it. That's how I determine, is this car a good deal to buy? And yeah, that's really just it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, where I'm way more active, click the first link down below, I believe. If you guys want to see my website of our used car dealership in Arizona, click the second link down below, and all the other links you can check out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to stay connected with me, subscribe, of course. Click the like button, smash it. I don't like doing all that stuff. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.